Well, we made it to the very northern tip of Palawan in this barangay called Sitio Diapila. And anyway, there's no electricity, and the person that owns the lodging is not here. But they said that we could stay here. There's a caretaker, you know, that might come by and give them a couple hundred pesos for a place to stay, which is quite the accommodations. They got it wired for electricity, but electricity hasn't been ran into the town yet. So no electricity, but check out the view. But I'm gonna be sleeping here. And I've lowered the tire pressure on the motorbike to 10 psi to see how well it rides in sand. So I'm going to take that out on the beach here in a little bit. There's no running water in this town, but some people has wells, and there's one faucet that people gets for drinking water. But right on the other side of this hill is the very northern tip of the main Palawan island. And I don't know if there's any way to access it, but the people here said that the coral here is amazing and they can take us out on a boat tomorrow. The coral in El Nido is so horrible. There's been, you know, tens if not hundreds of thousands of people that's trampled on it and broken it, and you know, thousands of acres have busted it up. But it's supposed to be pretty pristine right here. But just about 1 mile or 1.5 kilometers on the other side of the hill is the very northern tip of Palawan. See you later. Try to do some snorkeling this morning. There's good coral reefs. Good place. Yeah, the rocks. Oh. Okay, go to the rocks. Okay, thank you. Huh? Oh, it's a camera, underwater camera. Yeah. All right, thank you. Where is coral? Is coral there? Huh? Say hi to YouTube. Bye-bye.